Hello, dear students and teachers. Myself Sunil Kumar Jadhav, principal of Syllabus Std English High School, Surat, which is also known as the experimental school. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about the 30% reduced syllabus for standard 11 subject computer. Usually, whatever the circular is given by the government that is related to reduced syllabus, which is in Gujarati. So one of my computer teacher, that is Jagdish Prajapati, has translated this for you in English. But it might be some error, that is human error generally occurs. So you can compare this document along with the original document that is printed or published by Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Board in Gujarati. You can compare it and then you can finalize it. Normally this is okay, but still once you will confirm it before your examination. What are the topics which are included and what are the topics which are excluded is going to discuss in this particular video. Here in this presentation or the Word document, you will see what are the topics from the chapter which is reduced or not going to be asked in the examination. Generally, teacher has to teach entire syllabus, but out of that, these topics are not going to be asked in examination. So here I'm sharing you the screen. You will see that which are those topics which are excluded from the syllabus for this academic year for just because of the COVID-19 situation. Syllabus Std English High School, Surat, new revised syllabus, 30% reduced syllabus, academic year 2021, standard 11, subject computer study, translated by one of the teacher, that is Jagdish S. Prajapati from Syllabus Std English High School. Here, name of the chapter and removed topics of the chapter is mentioned over here. Let us begin with name of the chapter, chapter number 1, Introduction to Multimedia. In this, whatever the topics which are reduced or removed, that is mentioned here. Rather than these topics, all the other topics will be included in the examination, or the question would be asked from those topics in the examination. So those are important for the examination purpose. First topic from chapter number 1, Introduction to the Multimedia, that is usage of multimedia, page number 14. This topic is excluded or it will not ask in the examination. Stages in multimedia production, page number 15 and page number 16. This topic is given. From this, there will be no question asked in the examination, but you have to prepare for your understanding. Chapter number 2, animation tool, that is Synfig. This entire chapter will be asked in the examination, means nothing is removed or nothing is reduced from this particular chapter because it is very important. Similar way, chapter number 3, creating animation using Synfig. This is also important. The Synfig is very important for the examination. So nothing is reduced from this 2 chapter. That is chapter number 2 and chapter number 3. Nothing is removed, means both this chapter you have to prepare entirely. Similar way, chapter number 4, Introduction to Layers. This chapter is also, there is no topic which is reduced from this 3 chapter, chapter number 2, chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. Means you have to prepare chapter 2, 3 and 4, all the topics for the examination purpose. Let's go for next chapter, chapter number 5, using picture in Synfig. In this, which are the topics which are excluded, I have mentioned here. So rather than this topic, everything you have to prepare. Masking, page number 78, it is reduced from the syllabus. Slideshow, page 87, which is also reduced from the syllabus, means this topic will not include for the examination purpose. Then next topic, interactivity, that is page number 94. This is also reduced topic. Portability of files, page number 96. This topic is also excluded. Other than that, all the topics would be included. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is related to chapter number 5. This 4 topic, masking, slideshow, interactivity, and portability of files will be excluded for this academic year from the syllabus for examination purpose. Next chapter, that is chapter number 6, basic Ubuntu Linux commands. This is very important, but in this many topics are excluded. Normally in school, the government has provided ICT computer, in that Ubuntu is the language which is used. So this is very important, but these topics will not be asked in the examination. Let us see the topics. Command line calculator, that is BC, page number 104. is excluded. Change password, page number 107 is excluded. Piping output, that is page number 119 is excluded. Compare two files, page number 119 is excluded. Difference, page 119 is excluded. OR redirectors, page number 123 is excluded. Filter, which is on page number 123 is excluded. Ordering output, actually put, but it is put, output. Short, that is page 127 is excluded. Character conversion, TR, that is page number 128, you will see. Pattern matching, GREP, page 128. Searching a file or directory, find, that page number 130 is also excluded. And running commands as the super user, sudo. Page number 131 is also excluded from the syllabus for this academic year. Let's go for the next, page number 7, Vim editor and basic scripting. Full chapter is removed from the syllabus, means nothing is going to be asked from this chapter, but for your betterment, you have to prepare this chapter so you will understand the basic about the computer. But this question will not ask from this chapter number 7. Chapter 8, advanced scripting. In this also the entire chapter is removed, means nothing is going to ask from this also in the examination. Next, chapter number 9, introduction to database management system. This is important chapter, so the entire chapter is included, nothing is excluded from this chapter. Chapter 10, working with tables. This is also the entire topic or entire chapter is included, nothing is reduced from this syllabus. From this chapter, that is chapter number 9 and chapter number 10, fully you have to prepare, nothing is reduced from this two chapter. That is chapter number 9, introduction to database management system, and chapter number 10, working with tables. Chapter 11, retrieving the data using. Retrieving data using, in this editing query, page number 245 is reduced. In this, whatever the queries which are reduced, you will see queries. Applying criteria, page 245. Using single field, page number 246 is also reduced. Using multiple field, page number 249 reduced. Using wildcards, page number 250 excluded. Performing calculations, page number 251 excluded. Grouping the data, page number 253 excluded. Parameter query, page number 254 is also excluded. And structured query language, SQL. Structured query language, short form is SQL, page number 256. These all topics are excluded from the syllabus for this academic year 2020-21 because of this COVID-19 situation. Chapter 12, forms and reports. This is an important chapter and most important chapter. So nothing is reduced from this particular chapter. The entire chapter you have to prepare. Chapter number 13, current trends and technologies. This is actually very important because current trends are to be learned in the computer, but few topics are excluded from the syllabus for the examination purpose. But my suggestion is that entire chapter you have to prepare for your betterment. Let us see which are the topics excluded from the examination. Smartphones and tablets, page number 289. This is very important. You know, nowadays the smartphone and tablets are the most important part of the human life. So definitely you have to prepare this chapter. I don't understand why it is removed, but these topics will not ask in the examination. The next, RFID, page number 294 to 297 will not be asked in the examination. Then biometrics, page number 297. This is also very important. Biometrics is used for the attendance and so many other purposes, but this topic will not ask in the examination. Iris recognition, that is 298. You know, this is advanced technology, iris recognition system by which the lock can be opened. So this is also important, but this is also reduced for this specific year from the examination. Voice speech recognition, page number 299 and 300. This you may have seen in the mobile, the voice recognition. And this topic is also excluded from the syllabus for examination purpose. Emerging trend in digital photography, page number 307 is excluded. And internet enabled television, page 308. You can call it smart television. This is also excluded from the syllabus, that is for examination purpose. So all this 13 chapter we have discussed, in which most of the chapters are entirely taken. 2 chapters are excluded fully from the syllabus, and so other topics are excluded from the syllabus in computer subject for 11 class, that is subject computer study. I hope you have understand. If you understand, then share with your friends also, so they can also understand, and compare this document along with the original Gujarati document before leaving the topics. And this you will get it, this circular you will get it on gscb.org website, that is in Gujarati. My teacher has translated in English, but till my suggestion is that refer that Gujarati along with this English translation. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much.